Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you children? I hope you're fine and keeping well at home. So today I am going to teach you ITF computer in the standard of 4. Okay. So according to your syllabus, what is given? So lesson number 3. I am writing here lesson number 3. Lesson 3. What is the title of the lesson? Windows with working 7. Sorry, working with Windows 7. Working with Windows 7. This is the working with Windows 7. So before knowing about working, we have to know about this word Windows 7. Windows 7 one is the one of the software, one of the system software such like Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 10. Is not it? So Windows again many different kinds of system softwares are there, because especially if you use the computer at home, when you on it, so here something is writing on the monitor or desktop. What? Windows XP. Sometime is coming some of Windows 7. Like this coming or not? Together is sometimes it's coming, but some of the computers this one is coming. What is the system software install of that computer? Suppose XP is installed, Windows XP, it will come Windows XP. Suppose Windows 7 is installed, it will come Windows 7. So here Windows 7 is there. This is the one, is not it? So therefore we will know about this thing. Computer is a machine which cannot think of its own. It requires instruction from us. If we can't give instruction, computer can't be used. He can't run alone without a human being or a user. It needs user. Suppose I am using this computer, I am the user of this computer. No, I have to use it. No. So that is the thing said. The most important program of a computer is the operating system. So operating system. In operating systems, different kinds of system softwares are there. Operating system. One switch is to press, computer become on. One switch is to press, it will become off. What is the reason? This is the operating system. This is the one kind of operating system. Okay. So it's the medium through which can interact with the hardware using software. Controls all the activities of computer. There are various types of operating systems as Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Windows is the graphical user surface. That means users are GUI. No, GUI between the computer and its user. Here it is given. Here you see in your computer Windows 7 how like is coming. Windows Vista like this shows. Windows XP like this shows on the display monitor. It's come like this. So Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. So we are going to know about the Windows 7. No? Now, so features of Windows 7. Features of Windows 7. So Windows 7 1. First version of the Windows operating system was Windows 95. First version. So now Windows 7, that is 2007. It made 2007. First it was when it was operating system was Windows 95. Step by step, developed. Now it become Windows 10 again. Windows 10 also nowadays is there. Windows 10. No? Here Windows 10. Here. Windows 10. It is the latest version of Windows. Microsoft. Who is the richest person before it was? Bill Gates. He is the owner of that. CEO. So therefore developed nowadays it become Windows 10. Current latest version this one Windows 10. So we are going to know about Windows 7. Okay? So let's see. Since then many versions of Windows have been released. Since 95, 96, 97, 98 till 2007. Many are version released, no? The most popular Windows of Windows are Windows 98. Windows 98 is the most popular. After that Windows 2000. And then Windows ME, Windows 7 operating system as was very popular because of following features. So Windows 7 is the most following popular. It became the most popular among the whatever versions are made by the Windows the Windows 7 is the most popular among the all versions. Okay, because of its features. So Windows is attractive and easy to use. Windows 7, it's easy and attractive to use. Very easy. I also most probably, whatever if you ask, sir, which operating system do you like most? I'll say you Windows 7. I would like most. That is a very good. Nowadays Windows 10, whatever, I don't like that. Okay. So Windows 7 has a very attractive look with a colorful theme and slideshows. It's very easy to use Windows 7. It's used to graphics, makes it quite interactive. It works with the word and it makes new things possible. Okay. Searching made easier. So using Windows 7 we can quick search more things, more plus in our computer. Okay. Windows 7 taskbar. Taskbar Windows 7 is a flexible and application oriented. We can't pin our favorite programs to taskbar of easy access. The new arrow pick features allow the turn on the windows or transfer on the desktop of the computer visible. To do so, just point the click on the right edge of the taskbar. Windows supporting multitasking. Windows can perform the task at a time. For example, we can type letters in MS Word while enjoying music using Windows Media Player. So, suppose listening music, and then you are typing a letter. Together you can do this work in this operating system Windows 7. But any others Windows system or operating systems are not available these features. Okay. Jump list. These are the new features which takes straight to the documents, pictures, songs or websites. You have recently visited. You have jump list. Whatever you have recently visited, if you go in jump list, you can get all the jump list at there. Okay, history. Okay. So starting a window. How can you start? Switch on a computer. Windows start automatically and displays welcome messages. It's one of the full screen windows. It's on the desktop. This is the desktop. In the monitor, if you switch on, it will come like this come. Isn't it? Icons, these are various kinds of. Here, start button are here. Okay. If you want to shut down the computer, this key is to use. Okay. So next, what are there? Next is there the start button, computer, files and folders, creating file. After us, we'll see. Okay. Till this much only. Next, I'll make one more video for you. Okay. For next that. Okay. So I'm not going to take you a long time. So here I am going to end of my class. Thank you.